have horns, and now it does. So we'll sell it because we don't want horns in with people, and also like, if you have a horned goat with stuff. And then they go up on top of the ring. These guys are all the babies.
Come on.
They were born about 2 months ago.
Slits.
So what makes them, they make noise or they squawk?
Yeah, like very loud. Get your hoodie up. Oh, yeah. Okay. And then you're gonna. I wouldn't believe how many times I put mine on, go to a bee yard, get distracted, and forget to do this up.
I'm ready.
So you can see all the pretty colors. It looks pretty, all the different hives.
Yeah.
But I also do them for another reason. It's because if you got bees, they're not stupid. They know where they live, right?
Yeah.
But if they're coming in really fast, they can be like, oh, there's mine, purple, pink, right? And then they can fly to it really quick. Otherwise, if they were all white, they gotta come in slowly. Okay, there it is, kind of thing. So it kind of speeds them up. So typically, what we'd be doing is smoking the bees to make them calm, right? Now, the reason why we smoke them is because it mimics like a forest fire. So let's say if they were in a forest and they smelt a fire, then they would come to the hive. Everybody would gorge as much honey as they can and wait for a signal. So if the fire got to right here, like, okay, we're all leaving. So now everybody's got full bellies. They can go and fly away, and they can regurgitate it somewhere else and start a new hive where the forest fire isn't there. Now also the smoke blocks their means of being able to communicate, because they're all about pheromones and how bees do a certain dance, like a language dance. So if you got smoke in there, it blocks them. So I can't say, hey, someone's in the hive right now. Nobody can communicate, which is really good. So it makes the hive really calm and stuff. We're not going to smoke them, so they're not going to be calm. Right?
Yay!
So some hives that I'll open up to take out my medication, they're going to come flying out really hard and heavy.
Okay.
Right? But you don't have to worry about it. You're pretty good. I would normally recommend that we have high boots just so they don't get at your ankles. But should be good today. Okay, so here we got an entrance reducer. Hold out. So see how dry they are now already?
Yeah.
So can you hold that for me? See the handles on there? Yeah, don't drop it though. Okay.
Black Beatles in the city, be back immediately to comfort.
Because we're gonna get those guys to fly out on their own today, and then I'll go put this box away.
Wow.
There you go. Here, I'll have all. So you can see them all in there. All females.
Yeah, those are eggs. Those are larvae, right?
Nope. There's
What's
no
that?
larvae. This will just be wax. A little bit
Wow.
of honey in there. See? A little bit of honey there. That's pollen. See
Okay.
that colored stuff
Yeah.
inside there? So that's all. And you can get all kinds of different colors of pollen. If you turn it so you can kind of see in here, angle it. You see all that in there?
Yeah.
And so you get all different colors. It depends on the type of flower that they're dealing with. They can be yellow. You can have purple pollen. All different kind of colors. It's crazy. How's the queen? Is the queen laying good? Is she a good queen? Right? Except on the honey. When the honey flows on it, once a week I'm in there taking honey. And then in the spring I'm in quite a bit, just inspecting them, making sure everything is good. If you got a queen, if you don't have a good queen, you get rid of her and combine two hives, right? Make a super one. Or
Editor Cam here. Just wanted to say that after we got out of that little farmhouse little area, we were given actually honeycomb and honey, different flavors of honey, and we learned that like there's different ways that honey can be produced based off of the bees' diet, based off the pollen that they get from certain plants, from certain environmental aspects and stuff like that. So we were also given a honeycomb, and now I'm going to be trying it and giving you my reaction. My first initial reaction was a lot of sugarcane. A lot like sugarcane, because when we were in Jamaica and my grandparents were Jamaican, we would eat a lot of sugarcane or try a lot of sugarcane. And it's the same type of premise where you eat the honey, then you spit out the wax. And with sugarcane, it was you eat the sugarcane and you spit out like the remaining cane part, right? You digest the sugar. So yeah, we're gonna try this now. Just from taking it out of its little box, the wave of honey. And you know what's funny? I've never eaten honey before. Like, I don't eat honey. Okay. So what I'm doing now, so you can't really see it, I'm taking a piece off, I think. I'm gonna have to wash my hands after this. There's so much honey, dude. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's in shambles. It didn't fall. But my hands are gone. So it's so good.
Wow.
It's a mukbang. It's so sticky.
What did he say?
Bro, cut that out. It's really good. It's like sweet and like fresh. I was in that box the whole time. And you have all the wax. That's really cool. Well, that was my reaction. That was really. My overall review would be 10 out of 10. It was really good. I wasn't expecting it to be that good. I've never had. Maybe I just don't eat honey that often, right? But like, I respect bees. They have a good palate. That was really good. 10 out of 10.